So let's prepare for a time of meditation, just to take a few deep breaths together and quiet our minds. We know that the sound of our source moves through music, moves through the silence, moves through the power of the word. Let it move through this sanctuary, through our hearts, right here, right now. Grateful for this moment. Grateful for the mighty release. Grateful for love. Inhaling and exhaling, we close our eyes and simply enter a state of allowing, a state of peace. There is no thing against me. No birther of the cosmos would set me up to fail or fall. There is only learning and taking on the light through the depths of our being, from center to circumference.
Gratitude before me, gratitude behind me, gratitude to the left of me, gratitude to the right of me, gratitude above me, gratitude below me, gratitude within me, gratitude all around me. I'm so grateful.
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 I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Gratitude before me, gratitude behind me, gratitude to the left of me, gratitude to the right of me, gratitude above me, gratitude below me, gratitude within me, gratitude all around me. I'm so grateful. 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 I'm so grateful.
Breathing into this space. We allow our hearts to open, our minds to open, our visions to open. There is no thing against me. In this sacred space, let me lean in and let go. Let go of the idea that anyone could possibly harm me, could do anything to me. That God is not greater than. That the laws of spirit cannot use for the greater good, for anointing and awakening. There is no thing I need to do or pray or be to get this peace of mind, this forgiveness, this release. It comes through my full surrender in this moment to knowing who and whose I am. That we are emanations of the Most High. Here not to hold on to the human condition, resentments, anger, blame. But here to stand in the holy power of life, love, and wisdom, knowing that it flows and moves in and through and as even this. So we give to ourselves and we give to each other. And as we give, we receive. All Godness is everywhere present, inexhaustible. I simply say thank you. Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to stop holding on to anything that I may have perceived as a transgression to me or from me, against me, from me. And I acknowledge there is one heart, one mind. God, the good omnipotence. We breathe into that wholeness in the silence of meditation. Inhaling and exhaling. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.